Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get X-ray without using a texture pack. So if you ever gone into a survival server and you feel like mining diamonds or stuff like that, and you don't want to search for long, and you're looking for X-ray, but yeah, you're too tired to just refresh the window and get X-ray, this hack is just for you. So what you want to do is just find a place to dig, and so dig down. Okay, so I'm just gonna put coordinates. So it doesn't matter how much you want to go dig down, it will always work. Then you want to just clear a big space, not very big, just like that. Okay, then listen, this is the most important step. You just want to mine this block, not this block below, not the block above, just this block. And now you want to grab a moonstone orb and throw it. And as you can see, I have X-ray. So now I can see all the caves filled with diamonds. So check this out, I can see a huge cave here. I'm gonna mine to it. And like you can always check where you are. So okay, I'm nearly at the cave. I just have to mine a bit more. And boom, check this out. I have this huge cave filled with gold, iron, and maybe diamonds. I don't know, maybe I can go check it out. So yeah, this is like a really easy life hack that you can use to get some loot. The only problem, it requires moonstone orbs. So I mean, it's quite expensive. But I mean, if there is this press, if you have a press to get moonstone orbs, this won't be a problem. Also, I mean, in the press to get lobbies, you can use it to find your friend's base, because you can see like all the holes that we can actually see. So that's the point. So I hope this tutorial helped you and you get more loot, diamonds and stuff like that. Please subscribe and hit the bell, as we are so close to getting 150 subscribers before New Year. So let's try to do that. Please, come on guys, please. And like, subscribe, do all the good things, and I'll see you in the next one.